prepare well. For an exam, a match, a presentation. You know you're ready. But when the moment arrives, your body freezes. Your lips lock. Your mind blanks. You make silly mistakes. And afterwards, one thought stays. I don't trust myself anymore. If you overthink simple decisions, if you doubt your first instinct, this video is for you. I'm not here to motivate you. I'm not here to boost your confidence. I'm here to explain why this happens. Because self-doubt doesn't mean you became weak. It means you became careful. Imagine a hard-working student. He studied. He revised. He understood the concepts. Yet during the exam, his mind whispers, what if I mess up? What if I forget? What if others do better? Nothing changed in his ability. What changed was who was in control. Self-doubt took the wheel. But this didn't start in the exam hall. It started earlier, with a bad result, public criticism over small mistakes, comparison with someone else, or disappointing someone he deeply respected. Pain taught his mind a lesson. Next time, don't trust yourself blindly. That's not weakness. That's learning through pain. The inner judge. After that, a new voice appears. Before you speak, think again. Before you decide, be careful. Before you act, what if this goes wrong? I call this voice the inner judge. Think of it like a strict security guard hired after a robbery. He's not accusing you. He's just taking precautions. In Thinking, Fast and Slow, psychologists explain this well. The mind has a slow, careful system that activates when it senses risk. The problem is, it starts treating every decision as a threat. Overthinking and anxiety. You type a message, read it, delete it, rewrite it, again and again. You didn't become less intelligent. You became less trusting of your first thought. Overthinking is not thinking too much. It's checking too much. Anxiety is your body saying, this matters. Please be careful. The confidence myth. Most people believe, I'll act when I feel confident. But confidence doesn't come first. In mindset, the idea is simple. People grow when they allow mistakes, not when they avoid them. In The Confidence Gap, the author explains, confidence isn't the absence of fear. It's action with fear present. Confident people aren't braver. They're kinder to themselves. They're willing to move without certainty. Self-doubt waits for perfection. Confidence moves without it. That's the difference. Rebuilding self-trust. This is the most important part. Self-trust isn't rebuilt by affirmations. Think positive doesn't work. It's rebuilt by proof. In Atomic Habits, there's a powerful idea. Every small action is a vote for the person you want to become. So, start small. Make small decisions without asking for approval. It's okay to fail. Speak without rehearsing 10 times. It's okay to fumble. Allow a small mistake and survive it with a smile. Each time you do this, you give your mind new evidence. Slowly, the inner judge relaxes. Not because you argued with it, but because you proved you can handle life. Let me leave you with this. You don't lack confidence. You lost trust in your judgment. And that can be rebuilt. You're not broken. You're cautious. And caution can be updated. If this video made things a little clearer, this channel is for you. We're not here to silence the mind. We're here to teach it that you are safe to trust yourself again.